Correct.
Hello, we will miss you, Kuya Reggie. Bon voyage. Kuya Reggie, are you leaving again? Next time you come back, you bring chocolate.
Alright, and you?
Florida.
Okay.
Next time we come back,
Reggie.
China.
Uli na ka. Lagi ka, Ken. Pagkakita ni Shelly na yung China. Kaya kung mag-Chinese citizen na
Oh, wow, 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 wow.
makakatingin ako.
Alright, alright.
Bon voyage. And iti-training ko na lang si Romy at si Guy. Para pagbalik nila medyo magkaroon ng ano.
Bakit sabihin mo na nung may satisfied siya ng peparan ng partner mo?
Kaya naman matagumpay ang inyong pagsasama dahil ganun kaganda ang pagkakatraining ko.
Sige, bon voyage. Hope to see you soon. Miss ka namin dito sa court and sa bangko. Regards to the family.
Okay.
Cheers! Reggie for you! Reggie! See you next year! Okay, next year! Bye!
Regards to Irma, Glory May, and of course, Luigi. We will miss you, partner!